30 things that make women addicted to you. Are you ready to level up and become the guy that women obsess over? Excellent, because today I'm revealing the 30 secrets that make you simply irresistible to women. Now, it might seem like a mystery, but when you break it down, it's really about understanding what women value and respond to. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but about genuinely cultivating qualities that make you irresistible. So let's jump right into it. Being passionate. Passion is what adds zest to life. It's the fire that keeps you going. A passionate man is driven, energetic, and deeply involved in the things he loves, be they his work, hobbies, or dreams. He has an infectious enthusiasm that lights up his eyes and energizes those around him. When you are passionate, you become more than just a man, you become an inspiration. Creativity. Creativity is a sexy trait that women find irresistible. A creative man brings fresh perspectives, thinks outside the box, and keeps things interesting. This could mean expressing yourself through art, music, writing, or even coming up with creative solutions to everyday problems. A creative man can turn ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, making life more vibrant and exciting. Emotional availability. Emotional availability is about being open to sharing your feelings and being able to understand and respond to hers. It's about showing vulnerability, compassion, and empathy. An emotionally available man isn't afraid to express his feelings, be they joy, sadness, love, or fear. He is there for his partner during emotional highs and lows, providing comfort, understanding, and support. Emotional availability fosters a deeper connection, making you not just a lover, but a best friend. Ambition. Ambition isn't just about wanting to achieve great things, it's about having the drive and determination to turn those desires into reality. An ambitious man has a vision for his life and sets meaningful goals to achieve it. He is self-motivated, focused, and persistent, traits that women find irresistible. Ambition reflects your inner strength, discipline, and passion. Kindness. Kindness is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. It's about showing consideration for others, expressing empathy, and going out of your way to help someone. It could be something as simple as holding the door open for someone, helping an elderly person cross the road, or just being there for a friend in need. When you show kindness, not just to her, but to everyone around you, it demonstrates that you have a big heart and a compassionate nature. Intelligence. Intelligence comes in many forms. It's not just about being academically smart. Emotional intelligence, social intelligence, street smarts, all of these are different facets of intelligence. An intelligent man knows how to navigate different situations effectively, makes smart decisions, and carries on stimulating conversations. He's curious, knowledgeable, and always eager to learn. Respectfulness. Respect is fundamental in any relationship. It's about acknowledging her as an individual with her own thoughts, feelings, and choices. It's about giving her the space to express herself without judgment or interruption. A respectful man treats everyone with dignity and equality, irrespective of their gender, race, or social status. He values differences, listens attentively, and communicates with kindness. Active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing. It's about understanding, empathizing, and responding. It involves showing genuine interest in what she's saying, asking relevant questions, and responding in a way that shows you are fully engaged in that conversation. When you listen actively, you make her feel heard, valued, and important. This simple act communicates respect and understanding and can significantly deepen your connection. Consistency. Consistency is key to building trust and stability in a relationship. It's about aligning your actions with your words and following through on your promise. Consistency shows that you are reliable, dependable, and true to your word. Whether it's consistently making an effort to spend time with her, being there for her when she needs you, or maintaining the same level of respect and affection throughout, consistency shows that you are genuinely invested in the relationship. Confidence. Confidence is more than just an attitude, it's a way of life. It's not about being overly cocky or arrogant, but about appreciating your worth, being comfortable in your skin, and radiating positivity. When you believe in your abilities and carry yourself with confidence, it shows that you respect yourself and know your worth. It's the way that you walk, you talk, react to situations, and deal with challenges. Independence. Independence is not about being a lone wolf, it's about having your own interests, friends, hobbies, and time alone. It shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and can thrive in various situations. An independent man doesn't cling to his partner for happiness or validation, but cherishes the relationship while maintaining his individuality. Being supportive. Life is a roller coaster, and a man who is supportive through the highs and the lows is immensely attractive. This means being her cheerleader when she's chasing her dreams, a comforting presence in challenging times, and a partner who celebrates her successes. Good communication skills. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship. A man who can express his thoughts, feelings, and concerns clearly and effectively is a gem. Good communication is more than just speaking well. It involves understanding body language, recognizing nonverbal cues, and also listening actively. It fosters understanding, prevents misunderstandings, and strengthens your bond, making it an incredibly attractive trait. Honesty. Honesty, they say, is the best policy, and for a good reason. Being truthful, even when it's uncomfortable, shows integrity and reliability. An honest man doesn't manipulate facts or people. He's straightforward, trustworthy, and respectful of others' trust. This trait makes a man extremely desirable, as it forms the foundation of trust in any relationship. Patience. In this fast-paced world, patience is a rare virtue. It's about maintaining composure in challenging situations, managing expectations realistically, and giving her the time and space she needs. Patience shows your strength of character, your ability to handle pressure, and your respect for her personal pace and space. It's an attractive quality that shows you are a keeper. Being adventurous. Life is an adventure, and a man who embodies this spirit is exciting to be around. Being adventurous means being willing to step out of your comfort zone, seeking new experiences, and making the most of life. It might be about traveling, trying new cuisines, learning new skills, or undertaking daring activities. An adventurous man ignites a spark of excitement and adds a unique zest to a relationship, making him irresistibly attractive. Good grooming habits. Personal grooming goes beyond just physical appearance. Good grooming habits show that you respect yourself, care about your health, and pay attention to details. This includes maintaining personal hygiene, dressing well, and taking care of your fitness. It signals self-respect, discipline, and consideration for others, making you more attractive. Generosity. Generosity isn't only about giving expensive gifts. It's also about being generous with your time, attention, affection, and help. A generous man values others, puts their needs into consideration, and makes sacrifices for their well-being. This quality is a reflection of a kind heart, selflessness, and a love for humanity, making you irresistibly appealing to women. Understanding. Understanding is about acknowledging her feelings, accepting differences, and being supportive without judgment. It's about putting yourself in her shoes, empathizing with her experiences, and appreciating her perspective. An understanding man is sensitive, considerate, and accepting, traits that foster deeper connections and make you irresistibly attractive. Romance. A little romance can go a long way. Small romantic gestures like leaving sweet notes, planning surprise dates, or simply holding her hand while walking make a big difference. This shows your thoughtfulness, affection, and appreciation for her, which are essential to keeping the spark alive. Remember, being romantic isn't about grand gestures. It's about creating special moments that make her feel cherished. Humor. Who doesn't love a good laugh? Humor has the power to lighten moods, ease tensions, and draw people closer. It's not just about telling jokes, it's about being able to see the lighter side of life, making people smile and creating a joyful atmosphere. A man who can laugh at himself and find humor in challenging situations is resilient, positive, and incredibly appealing. Being gentlemanly. Chivalry isn't dead, and a gentleman knows how to treat a lady right. This means being polite, courteous, respectful, and considerate. Small gestures like pulling out the chair for her, holding the door open, or walking her home speak volumes about your respect for her. A gentleman is not just attractive, he's also a delight to be around. Persistence. Persistence isn't about showing tenacity in pursuing your goals and dreams. A persistent man does not easily give up when faced with challenges. This trait shows your resilience, commitment, and determination, qualities that women find highly attractive. Showing appreciation. Everyone wants to feel appreciated, and showing genuine appreciation for her makes her feel valued and loved. This can be through words of affirmation, acts of service, quality time, physical touch, or small gifts. Regularly expressing appreciation shows that you don't take her for granted and that you cherish her, which makes you more attractive. Discipline. Discipline is about showing self-control, following a regular schedule, or sticking to your commitments. A disciplined man respects his time and that of others. It's a sign of reliability, maturity, and the ability to accomplish what you set out to do, which is undeniably attractive. Leadership. A man who can lead, make decisions, and take responsibility is attractive. It shows you are capable and reliable, and you have people's trust. Leadership isn't about being bossy, it's about guiding, inspiring, and taking initiative, which women find irresistibly appealing. Optimism. A positive outlook can make all the difference. An optimistic man sees opportunities where others see obstacles. He spreads positivity, motivation, and lifts others' spirits. His positive attitude can even make the mundane seem exciting, making him an absolute magnet for women. Respect for her independence. Just like your independence is attractive, so is your respect for hers. Encouraging her to pursue her interests, allowing her space, and supporting her ambitions show that you value and respect her individuality, which is incredibly attractive. Loyalty. Loyalty in a man is a treasure. A loyal man stands by his partner through thick and thin, stays true to his promises, and values trust. Loyalty shows that you are reliable, committed, and worthy of her trust, making you extremely attractive. Being present. Being present means fully engaging in the moment. It's about putting away your distractions and giving her your undivided attention. This simple act makes her feel valued and cherished, making you all the more appealing. So, you've just unraveled 30 things that make women addicted to you. Up next, we've got 2 tantalizing options: how to spot immediate interest in her greeting, or uncovering the small things that girls wish you didn't do. The choice is yours. Before you head off, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.